Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can allocate credit note to a customer invoice on ClearBooks. We need to go to sales section and to our credit note. Here, go to list of all credit notes and click on the one which you want to allocate to a customer invoice or sales invoice. In my case, I want to allocate credit note 141 to a sales invoice. Here is information about my credit note, and when I scroll to the very bottom, I have all available invoices that haven't been marked as paid yet on system available. And I have credit note for 2480, what I want to allocate to this invoice 140. And it's simple, click on apply. Now credit has been applied against invoice. If I click on a credit note, I can see that there is no unallocated amount in this section compared to above two credit notes. And if I go to invoices and I look for Jane T invoice for 2480, it will be under paid section, sorry. Then I can see that there is invoice 140 marked as a paid. If I click on this invoice and I scroll to section where is payment history, I can see that payment has been made by a credit note and payment ID is 47 and there is credit note 47 and there is all information about this credit note. So in this episode I showed you how you can allocate credit notes to a sales or customer invoices on ClearBooks. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my ClearBooks tutorial and review episodes. If you haven't seen it yet, check it out.